Hello, students, and anyone else who may be watching from home. This is Mr. Borges, also known as Zanzolo, and today I want to do a quick video for you showing you how you can get Minecraft Education Edition installed on your school laptop. So here is the link that's in an email similar to the one that I'm going to send this video out in. So wherever you fall in this video, go back, take a look at that email. There's a link that takes you to the Minecraft Education Edition download page. So you click this thing right here. It's going to open you up a web browser here, taking you to this download page. Now, you can always get here on your own just by doing a Google search for Minecraft Education Edition downloads. Right? And so if you're running Chromebook, click this one, download it, install it. Should be no problem for you on a personal device. If you're running a Mac or even an iPad, actually, you can download the version that works for you. And you should have no problem installing those on a personal device. If you have your own PC, or your own laptop that you own or your family owns, you can download this version right here. You're going to be able to install that, no problem. But on a school laptop, you won't have permission to install software. So that's this one right here. You're going to click Download Windows Store version. You click that one. It's going to prompt you to ask you what you want to do. Go ahead and open the app installer, and it's going to take you to the app installer. Right, where it's going to ask you, hey, do you want to install Minecraft Education Edition, blah, 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 on your computer? And we say, yes, please, by clicking the install button here. This is going to take a moment. So I'm going to pause it. You can see right now the time is 4:58 on my computer. We'll see how long this takes. All righty, folks. So we're coming back to the video. We're at 99%. And you can see it really took like less than 5 minutes. Right. And then I had the launch option set in my app. So it's going to immediately launch me into Minecraft Education Edition. So you can see it's already launched me. Now I am already signed in. So it's going to attempt to log me in anyway. Right. So it's telling me you may get this when you log in. If you were in my cell class last year, or if you participated in one of our GATE after school events where we used Minecraft, this is what you're probably going to see if you try it before Wednesday. My trial of Minecraft Education is complete, and it's not going to let me log in. Right? There's something about purchasing a license, and you can click that, but it's going to take you to a page that you actually are not going to be able to purchase this. This is for the school, shop for my school stuff. So, right, if you see this, you're just going to have to hang until Wednesday. But I've been talking with our information technology department. I got them a list before I went to bed last night. So we finished signing up for the week on Friday. Before I went to bed on Friday, I got them a list of all the kids, and we're going to get licenses assigned to you all with the absolute goal, hopefully, of getting them all assigned before Wednesday. So you might see this. Don't worry about it. If you don't see this, you can actually just go hop in and start playing Minecraft right now and start checking it out. And that's all I have to say about that. If you have any questions, you can email me back. And otherwise, we'll see you on Wednesday. Okay, bye.